This is a perfect oven-baked chicken drumstick. Very moist, juicy and tender. Do watch the complete video for this yummy recipe. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this oven-baked drumsticks. It's a very good side dish. It can just go with some salad or just as a plain appetizer or a snack. So let's get cooking, guys. So this is our chicken drumstick oven baked. You can just have it as a snack or you can just have it with some rice on the side. This rice is some herb garlic rice. I will leave the recipe in the description below. Do have a look at it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay connected, and this is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen.